this is Skip Jeffries coming from my backyard here, doing a little grill maintenance here. I've got a Weber Spirit natural gas grill here. I believe it's probably one of the first ones they came out with. So Weber, if you're watching, man, this thing's built to last. I mean, I think I've gotten well over at least 10 years out of this thing. And as you can see, I've got the lighter here. We've had igniter issues, so I did some research just earlier in the week in between the other stuff going on. And you notice I ain't got any clicking or anything going on, so there's something going on there. But yeah, and the other issue here, I noticed I mentioned the flame burner not working. And I've gone on, well, on their manual and also on their website, and they kind of allude to it a little bit on the website. They don't mention it all in the manual, but these burner or lighter systems or igniter systems actually have a battery that charges it. And a lot of people, I didn't realize it until I actually went online, and it took a while. I actually found a guy that did a video, and that's all his video was about, was just igniter problems, and the major cause is just having to replace the battery. And I would have never thought about that because I did the research. I was going to actually order a new igniter system, and they're not too expensive. I mean, they're under 20 bucks. I mean, it's well within my budget limits. So to me, 17 bucks, and I don't have to stick a long-nosed lighter down the throat of a grill and have it potentially kind of blow back on you. I don't know if you've ever had that happen with a grill, but it scares the shit out of you. But your igniter system starts up at the button here. The issues that you want to check is your connections on those two. I guess it's the ground and your power. And just kind of follow it down, making sure those things are connected. And the thing they don't allude to, but they do have a battery in here. So you want to make sure and check. I mean, this battery's probably original, so let me see if I've got a replacement. And we'll pop that bad boy in, and hopefully that resolves one of our issues here and gives us our igniter back. We'll give her a test here. Like I said, yeah, we got sound. Let's see if we got flame. Yep, we got flame. So I think we resolved that issue. It should light. So I'm happy with that. Let's go ahead and give this igniter a functional test, see if it actually lights. There it goes. We got flameage. Yeah, resolved that issue. I'm happy. That's, like I said, 25 bucks saved. So anyways, I want to thank you guys for watching.